Hello everyone, today we learn opposite words. Odd, even. Noon, midnight. Heaven, hell. Innocent, clever. Heavy, light. Work, play. Old, new. To bore, to amuse. Right, wrong. Bad smell, sweet smell. Sweet, sour. Narrow, broad. Fail, succeed. Compliment, insult. Opaque, transparent. Good, bad. Inside, outside. Balance, fall. Short, tall. Sharp, blunt. Cheap, expensive. To damage, to repair. To depart, to arrive. Over, under. Add, subtract. Push, pull. Cruel, kind. To notice, to ignore. To catch, to throw. Fresh, stale. Calm, excited. Near, far. High, low. Day, night. Black, white. Light, dark. Forward, backward. Top, bottom. Old, young. Win, lose. To argue, to agree. To separate, to connect. Careless, careful. Fast, slow. To raise, to lower.